Welcome back to Cub's Quiz. Hello friends, Cubby is back with his new exciting Guess the Logos with Their Sounds challenge. Cubby lined up 26 hard questions for you guys. Let's see how many of them you can get right. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Can you guess the logo just by hearing its sound? Wow, it's Coca-Cola. Guess the logo by its sound. Test your brand knowledge. Yum, it's McDonald's. Can you guess the brand just from these emojis? Yum, it's Starbucks. Would you rather sip a Starbucks coffee or grab a McDonald's meal? Hit like for Starbucks or comment for McDonald's. Which brand is this? Listen closely and take a guess. Binge, it's Netflix. Can you guess the correct Starbucks logo from these? Boom! Correct answer is 1. Hear the sound, guess the logo. Can you get it right? King, it's Burger King. Only true fans can guess the logo from its sound alone. Crunch, it's KFC. Emoji puzzle, which logo are we hinting at? Cheesy, it's Domino's Pizza. Would you rather bite into a Burger King burger or crunch into KFC chicken? Logo sound challenge. Can you name the brand without seeing it? Hey, it's Yahoo! Yahoo! Can you tell which Domino's Pizza logo is the real one? Nice pick! Correct answer is 2. Can you guess the logo just by hearing its sound? Snack, it's Kit Kat. Guess the logo by its sound. Test your brand knowledge. Snap. It's Snapchat. Only logo masters can decode these emojis. Fresh. It's Subway. Would you rather build your own Subway sub or enjoy a cheesy Domino's pizza? Hit like for Subway or comment for Domino's. Which brand is this? Listen closely and take a guess. Sweet, it's M&M's. Can you find which Subway logo is correct? Well done. Correct answer is 3. Hear the sound, guess the logo. Can you get it right? Burst. It's Skittles. Only true fans can guess the logo from its sound alone. Pop, it's Pringles. Guess the famous logo using just emoji clues. King, it's Burger King. Would you rather snack on colorful M&Ms or sweet and tangy Skittles? Hit like for M&Ms or comment for Skittles. Logo sound challenge. Can you name the brand without seeing it? Zing, it's Mountain Dew. Can you spot the real Burger King logo? You got it. Correct answer is 1. Can you guess the logo just by hearing its sound? Fresh, it's Subway. Guess the logo by its sound. Test your brand knowledge. Magic, it's Disney. Thanks for watching Guess the Logo by Sound. How many did you guess right? Tell us in the comments. If you had fun, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Cubs Quiz for more cool and fun challenges. See you in the next video.